Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to my channel, Yoso. So guys, may event kami ngayon guys. So nagpipin kami ngayon guys. So guys, ngayon ay 4th of July. So andito ako sa trabaho guys. Pero ngayon lang to guys. So sana guys. Ayan guys yung paint namin. Si Showa ang nagpipaint and si Amor. So ayan guys, samahan nyo ako guys. So, don't forget to subscribe me guys on my channel YouTube guys. So, inilagay ko lang yan guys kasi kasi para guys makita nyo sila kung anong ginagawa guys. So, ayan po guys. So, yan. Ngayon guys, ang dalawa guys. Ang ginawa na guys. Tingnan nyo guys. Yan. Ngayon po guys, may event kami. Pero mamaya pa naman yung event. Alas 12 noon mag-umpisa. So may parade kami guys. So nagpalagay na rin ako guys kasi ako daw ang first biktima ni Showa. So second si Amor. So kaya nilagyan ako ng paint guys. Di ba guys ang ganda? Oh, tingnan yung eyelashes ko guys. Ay, charing. Sana all guys.
May Amor. Yeah. Show her the picture.
Guys, here. Here's isa my YouTube channel. Yan, guys, titingnan yung mukha niya, guys.
Nice.
Maganda na daw
Nice.
siya, guys.
So,
Maganda yung furnace, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys, ang ganda, guys. Diba? Just, see? Shout out to Showa. She's my painter. Yan, siyang, guys, magaling yung mag-ano, guys. Mag-decoration lahat-lahat. So, ayan.
Okay.
What? Same na ni? Yan. So, ayan, guys. So, hindi pa kami nag-umpisa ng trabaho, guys. Nagpipaint muna kami bago mag-umpisa ng trabaho. Ayan. So, guys, thank you very much and God bless. And God bless America. So, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also, guys, thank you. And here we go, guys. Busy yung dalawa, guys. Ako tapos na ako, guys.
Okay, I want to see your eyes.
Thank you, guys, for supporting me, guys.
Your eyes real quick here.
Yan, guys. Naglalagay sila ng eyelashes, guys. Dito kami sa trabaho sa building, guys. Pero hindi pa ako nag-umpisa. Alright, guys. Thank you so much. And thank you for subscribe me. Thank you for support me, guys. And don't forget, guys, to subscribe my channel, YouTube. Okay, bye.